You ever talk to your dog in a funny voice? Maybe you read bedtime stories to your kids like a pro. Guess what? That's voice acting. And it's not just about cartoons and commercials. It's audiobooks, video games, training videos, the whole 9 yards. Now, I'm not saying it's easy street. Voice acting takes hard work, dedication, just like any other job. But it's a gig you can do from anywhere, on your own time. No commute, no dress code, just you and your microphone. The best part? You're getting paid to use your voice, your instrument. Whether you're a natural storyteller or just love playing with different accents, there's a place for you in the world of voice acting. So, if you're looking for a side hustle with creative juice, keep reading. Let's get you ready to turn your voice into a moneymaker. Voice acting, in a nutshell, is bringing words to life. It's giving a voice to characters, stories, and ideas. It's about connecting with an audience on an emotional level, using only your voice. Think about your favorite animated movie. Those characters wouldn't be the same without the talent of voice actors, or those commercials with voices that stick in your head. That's the power of voice acting. The beauty of voice acting is that it's accessible to anyone with passion and dedication. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. What you do need is a good voice, the right skills, and a willingness to learn and grow. With the rise of online platforms and the demand for audio content, there's never been a better time to jump into the exciting world of voice acting. So, you want to be a voice actor? Great. Now let's talk shop. First things first, you need a clear, engaging voice. That's your bread and butter. But don't sweat it if your voice isn't radio perfect. Authenticity is key. Next up, acting chops. Voice acting is still acting. You gotta inhabit the character, convey emotions, and bring the script to life. Take some acting classes, study different techniques, and practice. Being able to read a script naturally and with good pacing is crucial. No one wants to listen to a robot, right? You gotta find the rhythm, the emotion, the pauses that make the words sing. And don't forget about technical stuff. Having a good microphone and recording setup is essential for delivering high-quality audio. You don't need a fancy studio, but invest in decent gear. Your ears and your clients will thank you. Section 4. The power of marketing. Getting your voice heard. Alright, you've got the skills, you've got the gear, now what? Time to toot your own horn. In the world of voice acting, marketing yourself is just as important as having a great voice. Think of yourself as a business. You need a brand, a niche, a way to stand out from the crowd. What makes you unique? What kind of voice work are you passionate about? Figure that out and run with it. A professional-looking website and demo reels are your must-haves. Your website is your online storefront, showcasing your talents and services. Demo reels are like movie trailers, giving potential clients a taste of what you can do. Networking is key. Connect with other voice actors, producers, and potential clients online and in person. Attend industry events, join online communities, and put yourself out there. Remember, it's all about building relationships and getting your name and voice out there. Section 5. Finding your niche online platforms for voice actors. One of the best things about voice acting today is that you don't need an agent to get started. Online platforms have leveled the playing field, connecting voice actors with clients worldwide. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Voices.com are great places to find freelance voiceover gigs. They offer a wide range of projects, from small business explainer videos to corporate narration. If you're into audiobooks, ACX, the Audiobook Creation Exchange, is the place to be. It connects narrators with authors and publishers looking for voices to bring their stories to life. Don't be afraid to specialize. Focus on a niche that interests you, whether it's video games, animation, or e-learning. Becoming an expert in a specific area can set you apart from the competition. Section 6. Nailing the audition tips for success. Auditions can be nerve-wracking, but they're your ticket to landing gigs. Preparation is key. Read the script carefully, understand the character and the tone, and practice your delivery until it feels natural. When recording your audition, make sure you're in a quiet space with good acoustics. No one wants to hear barking dogs or traffic noise in the background. Invest in a decent microphone and pop filter to ensure clear, crisp audio. Pay attention to pacing and emphasis. Bring energy and emotion to your read, even if it's just a dry technical script. Remember, you're trying to stand out from the crowd and grab the client's attention. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your audition. Clients are not just looking for a good voice, but also someone who is easy to work with and brings a positive attitude to the table.